right, good morning everyone. It's Lonnie and we are not in the shed. We're actually going to be out of the shed for a pretty good bit of the part of the day here. First up, that computer from yesterday. I actually have a deal on a local sale, Facebook Marketplace, and I'm gonna go meet the guy now. I listed it for $120 and he's buying it for $100. He offered $100 and I took it. He had to drive a pretty good way, so I told him just to message me when he got there, and he just messaged me. He's there, so I'm gonna go meet him. Hopefully the deal goes through. Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You Milos?
Yes. My English is also for writing.
Oh, I understood fine. You good, man? Oh, you're fine.
Okay.
Nice look. Hey, look, the password is password.
Password?
I reset it yesterday.
Okay. Okay, I want to know is you see it's E5, right?
Yeah, look, it's i5.
i5?
Core i5.
Oh, okay.
All right, and it's got 4 gigs of RAM. It's got 500 gig hard drive.
How long old? Maybe 1, 2 years?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Because you say it's Windows 7, right?
It has Windows 7. Yes, Windows 7
Maybe
Pro.
I can change to Windows 10 or no?
I'm sure you can. I mean, I don't know if they used to offer like free upgrade to that or whatever. Me personally, I like Windows 7 better, but hey.
Oh,
whatever.
okay.
But look, here's the if you need it. That's the 25-digit key code. Like if you have to reinstall or whatever.
Okay.
That's the little code for it. But yeah, this is ready to go. It runs well too, man.
And if I have the chip for Wi-Fi, right? I have it.
You have to have that, yeah, to plug in for that. Otherwise, you got to go in through Ethernet.
Okay.
Hardwire. So
okay.
I mean, but yeah, dude, it's got everything you need. Look, keyboard, mouse.
Okay.
This is the power cord for this. And then the monitor.
Okay.
Has power cord, and then this hooks up to the video card.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure, man. Back in the shed. Nice little $100 sale there. That was good, and especially good since I didn't really sell much on eBay yesterday. It was just a slow day. You have good days, day before yesterday, and then you have bad days, yesterday, and yeah. So oh, this is almost finished rendering, and I can get it uploaded. Y'all will have already seen that one. You'll want to watch the one that I upload tomorrow for sure. Don't miss it. I'm gonna go meet my guy for another buy, and yeah, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be good. He said he had a lot of stuff, so. Right now I'm looking for a baseball glove. Who was it? Some guy, I don't know baseball. Some baseball player. What was his name? Very popular. I don't know it. It's like this color glove. Oh, it's this one right here. It's a small glove. This will actually ship first class. What was the player? Y'all gonna crucify? Oh, Cal Ripken Jr. Okay, I don't know baseball, but I know him. You know, this sold for $11.99 plus ship. I actually sold this. I spotted it yesterday. I knew a lot of this little stuff I'd put on these little cubes. This little Hot Wheels Zowies, what is it called? Wagon car. And it's got like the little paperwork that came with it and everything. I sold this car individually, $12.99 plus shipping on top. So good little sale. I'm glad. Honestly, like, I want good sales today in particular, though. I'm like pretty busy after this, so I'm glad I don't have a lot of packing to do. Gives me a little break and a chance to well, I got to go get all that stuff in a little bit from my guy. That's going to be probably 3 hours or so. All right. Then I've got a statue here, and I've got a Batman Kotobukiya statue. I always struggle to say that. Is it this one? think it is this one. Okay. I think. Let me see. This one didn't sell for a ton of money. It's more of an action figure than a statue, I think. Did I show the front? Oh my gosh, how did I even sell this? I didn't show the front. I gotta pay more attention. Anyway, this thing got $29.99 plus shipping on top. All right, the last thing, I guess I'll close this up. Get this little vacuum out the way. Close this guy up. And I'm looking for a video game called Ark the Lad. Here it is, PS2 game. $4.99 plus shipping on top. So, oh, you know what? No viewer sales. This is what no viewer sales looks like. Boy, I'm just kidding. This, like I said, this is actually, you know what? With the $100 sale, I'm fine. Like, I'm fine regardless. But this is what a slow sales day looks like for me. But this is also going to be an easy packing day. Look, as a matter of fact, I might be able to do it one-handed. Well, maybe not. All right, let's pack Ark the Lad. Big money here, right? $4.99 plus shipping, but it is packed. That's done. I'll just write Ark on here. That way, on my way to meet my guy, if I get these ready, I've got about an hour. Actually, I can do a few other things. Whenever I go to meet my guy, I can bring this stuff with me. Okay, this little glove. This is going to be a first class shipper. Look, 0.56. So that's about 9 ounces. And I'll just grab an eBay poly and we'll bag it. You know what? I'll get my other little tripod. All right. Okay, this is how I'm going to pack this glove. It's going to go in this poly, seal, as if I won't know what it is. I only have 4 packages. Glove. Okay, I'm going to pack this Zowie guy now. I'm going to use one of these boxes. Little bubble. Little tape. Do one across here, right across the top. I'm gonna do one right here. Whoops. Zowie. Okay, one more. One more, Batman. And what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put a little bit of bubble on this guy. Let's see how much I need. About that much. Nothing too serious. Pretty easy packing job. Ooh, I nailed it. All right, and then I'm gonna grab a number 7 box here. Number 7 box, seal it up. And this is how I do it. I haven't had any trouble yet. With most things, I'll just come across 2 times, once that way, once that way on the seam. If it's something like extra special or whatever, I'll hit. Instead, I would tape down these seams, but a lot of times I don't. Just don't think it's necessary. Put this in here. And am I gonna void fill? Nah, I'm not gonna void fill. I'm gonna do my old cut, 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 or actually score. I should have said 4 times. This, and that. And that does a couple of things. Now, on this one, on a resize, sometimes I will come across these seams. All right, there we go. That's Batman. But there we go. And one of the reasons I do that is, you know, to not have to use void fill. Another reason is that whenever I do that, it actually makes the top stronger. So it's a couple of benefits there. I think this should come in under 2 pounds. Let's take a look. What do you weigh, box? 2.02. Oh no. All right, you know what, I am going to cut some of the, I'm going to cut this stuff and then like cut a little piece of flap off. I should have weighed it first. 2.02 pounds. Okay, Arc the Lad is a 5-ounce ship, first class package. Keep it down so y'all can see it. So glove is a 10-ounce first class package. It costs $4.19 to ship. All right, Zowie's is only 4 ounces, the little car. Even with this box, it's less than 4 ounces. It's actually going to Kentucky, and it only costs $2.76. I think that might be as cheap as it gets. Okay, last one. Here's Batman guy, and I trimmed this piece of flap off, and now we weigh, I know it's flat, it doesn't flash like that in real life. Now we weigh 1.98 pounds, so we're good to go at a 2 pound right now. Alrighty, 2 pound priority package, 9 and a little change. And that is all the shipping I have going out today. Just those 4 little packages. Not even $100 in sales there. How much is that? 42, 47. Is that like 60 bucks or something like that? Plus shipping. All right, gang, I would love to film a little more today for this vlog, but today's a weird day. I got to get these packages to the post office. I got to edit a little bit of video. Not edit. I got to do like thumbnail and stuff like that for the video. Actually, it's uploading now. It's the one you will have seen yesterday. But yeah, I got to get that done, and then I got to go swing. I got to get some cash. Then I'm gonna meet my guy, and gonna get some good video from that meetup, and hopefully I'll have some cool stuff. Hopefully we'll be able to make a deal. I think we will. We always have in the past. Like, we're both motivated to make a deal. He wants my money, and I want his stuff. So we always manage to make a deal. So anyways, tune in tomorrow. I think it should be hopefully a really good video, but I will see y'all then. Thanks so much for watching, gang. Take care. Bye-bye.